Namaste, friends. I welcome you to my new workshop on consciousness approach to autoimmune diseases. This workshop is organized by Namha from September 4 to 9. Why this workshop? There are millions of people suffering from various forms of autoimmune diseases: Hashimoto thyroiditis, multiple sclerosis, vasculitis, inflammatory bowel diseases, and many other more. I have seen people suffering from unimaginable pain and disability. These diseases come suddenly like a bolt from the blue and completely shakes up the person's confidence and their regular life. There is no simple cure for these diseases, and the treatment is often long, expensive, with its multiple side effects. I have had the privilege of working with few of these patients, and together we discovered and created new inner pathways of healing and working with these diseases. In some patients, the disease vanished for good. In others, the symptoms and manifestations came under much greater control. But in each patient, the body always responded in a favorable fashion. However, the fact remains that most people, first of all, either they do not know, nor do they believe that it is possible that we can actually work and heal our body from within. For the small minority who may believe, the belief is mere intellectual belief. They believe that it is perhaps true only for advanced yogis and not actually feasible for ordinary human beings like you and me. The main purpose of my work is to present this beautiful possibility which is within each human being, within each body. My purpose is to share this divine gift with all those who are ready to receive it. I know that it is possible. I have seen so many ordinary people responding beautifully. The way is not so difficult as many may imagine before we start. But once the healing process starts, we realize that it is possible. And if we are willing to trust our own bodies and give ourselves sincerely to the healing process, the body does respond from within in a beautiful way. So the question is, are you willing to give your body a chance to heal? If you are willing to trust yourself and take the plunge into healing, you will soon realize that it is the most important decision of your life. The journey to healing can be the most beautiful journey you have ever taken. You will discover your true being, your inner reserves of strength, joy, and peace. And most importantly, you will gain the ability and the tools to heal your body from within. It will be a truly transformative journey of healing and discovery. The workshop is guided by Dr Yogesh, who is the pioneer of consciousness as medicine with decades of experience in consciousness-based healing. He will lead you through transformative consciousness as medicine kriyas, meditative inner practices, practical insights, and personalized guidance that have helped countless individuals regain their health. Together, let us explore the powers of nature, Surya Shakti, Pranic Shakti, Bhumi Shakti, the powers of higher consciousness, love, peace, power, awakening of the body's intelligence, connection with the body's consciousness, and several other practices that will enhance and restore your immune intelligence. So, let us rewrite the narrative of autoimmune diseases, empower ourselves with the healing power of consciousness, and foster a renewed sense of well-being. We look forward to meeting you and starting our journey of healing and consciousness. Here are the registration details for this workshop. Namaste. Thank you very much.